Hindi ko alam kung ano yung dapat kong gawin, pero deep inside, Noreen, alam ko na may masamang nangyari.
At wala kang ginawa.
Noreen, sinubukan ko. Kinausap ko si Sir Eddie.
Sorry.
Pwede po ba kayong makausap?
Yeah, anything.
Tungkol po sana sa nangyari kagabi.
Wasn't it fun? I had fun. I hope you enjoyed kasi yung itsura mo.
Nakita ko po kayo nung may naligay kayo sa inumin ni Helena. At umalis po kayo na parang walang mali si Helena.
Stop. Okay, I don't know where you're getting this. Wala akong nilagay na kahit ano sa inumin ni Helena. You were so wasted. I'd be surprised if you actually saw anything at all. You're mistaken.
May nakita po talaga ako. Nakita ko po na bit-bit niyo po si Helena palabas.
Yes, Sherry, Helena and I, we went home together. We left together. Whatever you're insinuating here, I don't appreciate it. Listen, Helena is an adult. She is a grown woman. Alam niya kung anong pinasok niya. Alam niya kung ano ang gusto niya. I just gave it to her.
Ginawa niyo po yun behind Miss Velma's back.
Helena did what she did to get on my good side. What is this about? Wait a minute. Is that what this is? Are you trying to get on my good side? Lahat ng binigay ko kay Helena, pwede ko ibigay sa'yo. I am teasing. Ano ko ba? But seriously, kahit anong kailangan mo, tawagan mo lang ako. Anytime. Okay? One more thing. I really don't appreciate you slinging around these serious accusations. It could seriously damage your reputation and hurt your career. We don't want that. I suggest you drop it. There is no story here.